Hello, welcome. We're here today. We're going to be cooking Forno de Pizza by HPC Fire Inspired. Today, we're going to be doing kielbasa with pierogis, a delicious Polish dish. Come with me. Here we go. We have some nice smoked kielbasa that we have cut kind of in a diagonal angle, and we have chosen to use some veggies. Basically, we have some green, some yellow, and some red peppers, and then we're going to also have some delicious onions with that. We're going to put a little bit of garlic, salt, and pepper, and easy enough, quick boil pierogis, and we're just going to saute that right on the skillet, right inside of the oven. Lots of garlic. Now we're just gonna throw these in there. It smells delicious already. All right, here we go. Doesn't that look beautiful? All those wonderful juices coming from that Polish kielbasa and garlic. We have lots of garlic in here. We're gonna set these aside for right now. Now we're gonna add a little bit more of olive oil. So the pierogis don't get stuck on there. So these have been boiled in the oven. We're ready. Let's take a look at the pierogis. Oh yeah, they look awesome. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put just a little bit of salt in there, just a little bit of salt, and then we're gonna do a little bit of this pepper. Okay, and we're going to take these out and put it right back on the pan here. Look how beautiful they look. Nice and brown, just soft enough, and they absorb all those juices that we had in the pan, so they're all on there from the actual kielbasa. I'm just going to bring this board right up to it. And we're just going to saute these veggies in there. And you can hear them sizzling, and that sounds awesome. This is going to be delicious. I'm just going to grab this here. Welcome back. We really don't want the veggies to be overcooked, so we have just enough so they're a little bit crunchy, and we're gonna pour these right on top. Let me grab a spoon. And we're gonna grab these and we're gonna put them right on top of our Polish sausage here. And a little bit of sour cream. And to finalize things, we're gonna go to our garden. We're gonna grab some nice, fresh parsley right out of the garden. And now we're gonna have to taste this goodness. Oh yeah. That nice smoky flavor. The peppers are crunchy, just enough. You can taste the garlic. It's incredible. And the pierogis. Incredible, just incredible. Great flavor, and a meal that was prepared in less than 30 minutes.